Hey, and welcome. Today I want to take a moment to talk about the itertools combinations. This essentially will allow you to look at a list of values and basically iterate through them to get like all the permutations or possible combinations of those values, which there are numerous applications for that. So I won't get into that right now, but I do want to let you know that that exists. So what I'm doing here is I'm importing my OS and sys libraries, and that is basically so I can call a class that'll generate some random set of data. So when you have a chance, go ahead and download this specific repo, which will be linked in the description, and then you can just kind of run this as is, right? So I'll set the directories in order to call the class. Here I am, I'm importing my class of datagen, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate the data and then save it to a dataset variable. So that's going to give me basically a pandas data frame. From that, I'm going to save the columns to the attributes as a list, and then we'll go ahead and print the attributes so we can take a look, and then we'll iterate through each one of those combinations. So I'll go ahead and just run that. And as you can see here, my output is just that. So I'm gonna scroll to the very top when it starts outputting the output. And here is my print statement. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different values. And then so the first combination is just it's like unique value of each individual field. And then you see the second combination is a pair and a unique pair combination, right? So you can kind of go through all of these and then just see the various combinations there. And then for the third combination, we see a third set of combined values and so on. And so it'll go and basically provide with all the possible combinations that you can have, that you can mix and match with that data set. So anyways, as I mentioned, this is pretty useful. Like for example, if you want to iterate through like a model and you just want to try like every single combination of the attributes of data that you want to feed into, I think that's super handy. I've done that in the past, and I'll probably make a video or a course or something around that application a bit. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.